I have finished. But remember, you see the websites, at least Akhil Vishwa Gayatri Parivar website, Deva Samskriti Vishwavidyalaya website. And of course, if you are interested in this relaxation response and this. And sometimes I am asking my friends that monthly once, if you can interact with your questions and your practices, we can go together. We'll plan. Yes? Any questions? Yes?
I had two questions.
Yes.
Connected to each other.
Uh-huh.
When we are talking about conservation of energy, we consider Atma as energy.
Yes.
Subsequent question. If the energy is not created nor destroyed, where is the population, why the population is increasing?
You accept science as it says that the number of atoms can't be increased. The number of carbon atoms, the number of calcium atoms. But why so many plastics and organic molecules are coming suddenly? And I have read that in organic chemistry in 1 hour, 10,000 new molecules are being added. So the population is increasing. But the basics have not changed. Got the point? Your utilization is being shifting. Energy is converted more into the organic molecules. But the total energy and the total mass is same.
You mean it's a transformation of energy?
The soul is being transformed as a material human being. Or in our Hindu language, we can call it as the reincarnation of souls has increased. Previously, suppose there were 100 souls, 30 souls on the physical plane and 70 souls there. Now it has reversed. 30 there and 70 now, and you find a population increase. Got it? The reincarnation, because of the specific purpose. When we are talking about this reincarnation, there's a beautiful book about reincarnation and karma by Edgar Cayce. The book was, of course, written by Gina Serminara. The name of the book is Many Mansions. And I have a series of lectures on it, the karma theory. You just write it. You have in our website also a series of lectures. Okay. Any more questions? Yes?
How would we awaken ourselves in the sleep state?
When you can forget about the time. Actually, the sleep state is a no time barrier. That much you understood. So if in meditative state, if you can jump into that no time conscious state, but you are conscious of yourself. Time flows outside. You are only a witness of it. That is what we call the sadhana of Sakshi Bhava, Watcher consciousness. So if you can go into the Watcher consciousness, that I am only watching, nothing is happening, then you go into that sleep state. It's a simple practice, just like balancing cycle. I say it is very easy, but one who doesn't know cycling, it is very difficult. So it's just a question of practice. You can jump into it. So many yogis, so many saints, so many prophets. Prophets means who talk about the future and this. They are in that state and they predict. And it is not a difficult state. It is only to be achieved. You have to wish for it. And a real wish. A real wish is always joined with effort. A real effort. Okay?
What is your soul doing when we are sleeping?
What is the question? When you are sleeping?
What is your soul doing?
A very difficult question to answer. Because a soul can ask a body to do, but a body cannot ask the soul. Because this is a lower level and this is a higher level. So you can't ask it. The question is good. Because what the soul, if you can say, do you know what it means? It means you are the soul, then the powers must be there. So I don't advise people to go for the intellectual discussion. Be the soul.
Okay.
Got the point? What the soul thinks when you are asleep, if you can say, are you in that soul level state or in the conscious state, physical conscious? How can you answer that?
Because I'm telling that I have a
You
ghost.
cannot.
I cannot.
That is why they say avang manasa gochara. By words or mind you can't understand it. There is a limit.
In the morning, I'm telling that I had a very good sleep in the night. Who is
That's
telling
okay.
That one,
That soul gives you.
Soul is giving.
But it is giving you in your wakeful consciousness. But as a soul, it knows, but you don't know. You have to identify with soul. We are identifying with this body. Yes?
Coming back to the point that you gave to breath and
Relaxation
relaxation response, how do you relate Gayatri mantra with the breath?
Huh. The Gayatri mantra says that there are 3 levels of consciousness. So each 8 letters, Tat Savitur Varenyam, deals with the physical consciousness. Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi deals with the dream consciousness. Dhiyo Yonaha Prachodaya deals with the soul consciousness. That's how it is related. And what we are trying to do, we want all the 3 to become one. They have to be unified. That is why we ask people to chant it together, so that you will be beyond the time.
But how is it related with the breath?
You are alive because of the breath.
So when you concentrate always that you are breathing, you are breathing, you are breathing.
No, just a minute. I will give an example in zoology. The longevity of your life depends on the number of breaths you take per minute. They have proved it. Those who breathe at a faster rate, the animals, 30, 35, they live only for 12 years. And there are some animals like the elephant and the tortoise. They say they breathe only for 4 breaths per minute. They live for 500 years. And we, if we regularly correctly breathe 16 to 17 breaths per minute, we have to live exactly for 100 years. But why the longevity has decreased? Because we run for the bus. The breath rate, we become angry, the breath rate increases. Got the point? So that is how your life depends on breath and breath rate.